In this video, you will learn how to build the inner bed frame. The inner bed frame consists of 2 frame sides, parts A, B, and 4 to 6 frame struts depending on the bed size. Note the number of frame struts will vary for each of the horizontal bed sizes. The vertical Murphy beds will equally all have 6 frame struts. The inner bed frame is constructed out of solid wood using 1x2s. You can use pine or any other solid wood. Remember that 1x2s are actually 3/4 inch by 1.5. 1x2s are available from your local hardware store or lumber store. Home Depot and Lowe's usually has a good selection of solid wood to choose from. You can also build a bed frame using plywood by simply cutting the leftover plywood into 1.5 inch wide strips. Refer to the cutting guide to see if you have enough plywood left over after cutting all the bed parts to build a bed frame. Start by running a bead of wood glue on one of the 1x2s as you see here. Now join the 2 1x2s to resemble an L. Make sure the 2 pieces are flush with each other. Use 2 wood clamps to clamp the 2 pieces together. You might have to make small adjustments if the wood is not perfectly straight. Drive a 2-inch wood screw 3 to 4 inches away from each end of the frame strut. Make sure the screws are flush. Now drive a 2-inch wood screw every 7 to 10 inches. Remove the clamps and repeat the same process until you have built the required number of frame struts for the size of the Murphy bed you are building. Grab the 2 frame sides, parts A, B, and join them together, making sure both ends are flush. Refer to section 6 of the construction guide to determine the proper spacing for the frame strut on the frame side. This will vary for each bed size. Starting at one end, measure and mark the spacing for the frame struts on the bed sides, parts A, B. You may use a carpenter's square to help you finish off marking the frame sides. Now it's time to attach the frame struts to the frame sides. Lay the frame sides on your working surface or any convenient flat surface and align the frame struts with a pencil mark on the frame sides. Run a small bead of wood glue on the end of the frame strut. Join the frame strut with the frame side, making sure they are flush. Now mark 2 pencil marks on the frame side, making sure the pencil marks are aligned with the center of the frame strut. Drive a 2-inch wood screw through the frame side into the frame strut where you place the pencil mark. Repeat the same process until you have attached the remaining frame struts to the 2 frame sides. The construction of the bed frame is now complete.